Claude Code Configuration, Episode 2, Project Level. Global config lets Claude work the same across every project, but projects need their own rules. Frameworks, conventions, secrets, build commands, that is where the project layer lives, walk into any project root. The first file Claude looks for is Claude.md, sitting right at the top of your repository. Project instructions, architecture notes, build commands, coding standards. Anything the team needs Claude to know. Commit it to Git, share it with everyone. Right beside it, you can also use a .claude folder with Claude.md inside. Same effect. Pick whichever your team prefers. Need personal notes that should not be committed? Create Claude.local.md at the project root. Add it to gitignored. Your test data, your sandbox URLs, your private shortcuts, visible only to you on this machine for this project. Now permissions. The .claude folder holds two settings files, settings.json shared with the team, allowed tools, denied paths, hooks, environment variables. Commit it. Settings.local.json, your personal overrides. Gitignored, permissions you grant just for yourself. Here is where it gets powerful, the hierarchy. Managed enterprise policy beats local, local beats project, project beats user global. Higher scope wins for scalar settings. But arrays merge, so allowed tools from every layer combine. For larger projects, organize rules in .claude/rules. Each markdown file covers one topic. Add a path's frontmatter field, and that rule only loads when Claude touches matching files. TypeScript-only rules, API-only rules, test-only rules. Context spent only when needed, and subdirectory CLAUDE.md files, loaded on demand when Claude reads files in that subfolder. Monorepos stay organized without polluting context. Project layer recap, instructions in Claude.md, permissions in settings.json, privacy in local files, path-scoped rules in .claude rules. Next episode, MCP servers, subagents, and the full configuration map.